Hi there, it's Olga. Today I'd like to show you how I made a little gift for a cat lover. I used really simple and basic wrapping that would make a great background for the tag that I wanted to put onto it. But before I move on to the project, I'd like to show you my cat first. So here she is. Her name is Nera, and she doesn't like posing in front of the camera too much. The gift I want to make is a little thank you gift for a lady who gave me the cat. So this is the gift. It's some cans of cat food and a toy mouse, and then I'm going to create the cat-themed wrapping for it. First, I'm going to wrap the box in a piece of craft paper. I use craft wrapping paper for nearly all my gifts. It is cheap, it goes with pretty much everything, and it makes a great background for the text that I'm creating. Now I'm going to set the box aside and work on the tag. This die set is called Old Tags, and it's new by Gummiapan. I'm going to use the largest one to create the shape of my tag. I'll have to die cut it twice. One time out of white watercolor paper and another one out of black cardstock. For the focal image I'll be using this die. It is called Origami Cat and it's also by Gummiapan. I'm taping it down onto the tag where I want it to be, and then I'm going to emboss it instead of die cutting it. This way I transferred the cat outline onto the tag. Then I'm going to color the cat using the black Soot distress marker and a water brush. I'm basically scribbling some color onto the paper and then I'm spreading it with the water. You can also use watercolors instead of the marker. Then I have to let the tag dry completely, and while it's drying, I've die cut the cat 3 more times out of black cardstock, and I'm going to layer all 3 cat outlines one on top of another, because I like this added dimension. Now when the tag is dry, I'm going to place it inside the embossing folder, and I'm using this fractal pattern one by Sizzix. If you'd like to know what tools and supplies I'm using, I'll have them listed on my blog as well as in the description. The pattern that this folder creates is just amazing to me. The next step is coloring the background, and I'm using weathered wood distress stain. I have squeezed some of it onto the palette, and then I'm picking it up with a wider water brush and applying it onto the tag. That's very basic and simple. I let the background dry completely, and now I'm going to apply some glue at the wrong side of the tag and layer it onto the black one. I'm offsetting the top tag a little bit to create this outline or a border. Now I am applying the glue onto the cat outline and I'm sticking it onto the tag just where it belongs. To create my sentiment, I'm going to use this tiny alphabet die. It's also by Gummiapan. I've sent it through the machine, but I'm not going to poke out the letters from this piece of paper. Instead, I'm going to create my very own alphabet stickers. The width of this piece of paper is 1.5 inches, and that's exactly what I need for this machine. The machine itself is Xyron sticker maker, and it's the first time that I'm using it. After I've sent it through, I'm going to use the bone folder to rub on the top of the paper really well to make sure all glue is transferred onto the paper. I've peeled off the film, and that's all it takes. Now the stickers are ready to use. I'm just taking out the letters one by one and sticking them onto the project. The thing that drives me nuts about the store-bought alphabet stickers is that you use up the most popular letters quite quickly and then you cannot use up the rest. So I'm quite happy to be able to make my own alphabet stickers. Then I'm sticking some sequins to embellish the tag. The sequins are also fractal, so they match the rest of the project. Then I'm also tying up a piece of the red ribbon. I'm also going to attach a piece of a magnetic sheet at the back side of the tag, so it can be used as a fridge magnet. A magnet like this, when put on the fridge, can work as a reminder to feed the cat. Before adding the tag to the box, I'm going to decorate the box a little bit, and I'm using black Soot distress stain to add some splatters. Then it's important to let the splatters dry completely. To tie the ribbon, I need to hold it down with my thumb, just where I want the bow to be. Then I'm wrapping it around one corner, the next one, the third one, until I arrive to the place where I have started. I'm tying a bow, and then I can finally attach my tag to the box. I hope the recipient will like this little gift, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Before I say goodbye, I have a little announcement to make. Swedish House Crafts online store have a huge summer sale that is 50% discount for everything. So if there is something that you particularly like, it's the best time to get it. The sale is open until September the 16th, and I'll put a link down below in the description if you're interested. Have a great day and thank you for watching.